Hello everybody. Today we are going to practice the use of there is and there are. And I'm going to tell you how to write sentences using there is and there are. Okay? First of all, remember that we use there is for one object, only for one object. And we use there are for two or more objects. Two, three, four, five, more than two objects, okay? For example, let's practice orally first. Here I have a monkey. How many monkeys do I have? Only one. So I'm going to use there is for one object. There is a monkey, or there is one monkey. Okay? Look at this other example. Star. I have only one star. So I'm going to use there is. There is a star, or there is one star. Okay? Now let's see the dogs. How many dogs do I have? One and two. So I'm going to use there are. There are two dogs. There are two dogs. Okay? Now let's see another one. Look at this one. I have many flowers here. One, two, three, four, and five. So I have to use there are. There are five flowers. Okay? Remember, there is for one object, there are for two or more objects. Now let's write the sentences. Let's begin with this one that is very easy. This is a ball. Okay? Let's paste the picture here. Now, we are going to use for one ball, we are going to use there is, okay? There is one ball. Period. Remember that when we begin writing the sentence, the first letter is capital letter. We begin with the capital letter and we finish with a period. A period at the end. Okay, there is one ball. But also we can say there is a ball. Okay? When we have only one object, we can use a ball. Okay? Another example. This is a flower. Okay? We begin with capital letter. There is a flower. Okay? This means that we have only one flower. And at the end, period. But also, we can say there is one flower. Okay? A flower or one flower. Now, let's practice with there are. Let's put it here. Here, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 balls. For 8 balls, I need to use, remember, capital letter. There is or there are? There are, because we have more than 2. We have 8 balls. There are 8. We use the word. We write the word, not a number. 8 balls. And at the end, we put the period. It's important to remember capital letter at the beginning and period at the end. Okay? There are 8 balls. Another example. Cat. Here we have 1 and 2 cats. Okay? Let's paste here. And we write there, capital letter at the beginning. There are 1, 2. 2 cats. Okay, plural with S at the end. When we use there are, we have to put the S at the end. Balls, cats, dogs, flowers, S at the end. Okay, there are 2 cats, and we need to put the period. Don't forget the period at the end. Okay? Now, you are going to write sentences in your notebook using there is and there are. Okay? Let's practice. Please copy this in your notebook. And now you copy. Practice. Okay? Here I have a boat. Okay? I need you to write one sentence with boat. Here is boat. I'm going to write the word boat. Okay? Boat. Here we have 1, 2 birds. Let's put it here. Here is the name, but I'm going to write birds. Okay? And flowers. This is number 1. This is number 2. And here I'm going to put the number 3. Flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Remember, 5 flowers. Okay, this is your activity to practice at home. Flower. Okay, this is your practice. Try to do this in your notebook, and then your mom or your father send me the pictures, okay, to know what you did and if you understand this topic. Bye!